Lay the tabletop upside down. You will see markings A, B, C, and D at the four corners. Attach leg A to the corresponding corner of the tabletop using M6 by 12 mm bolts. Make sure to attach it in the correct position. Attach leg B in the same way. Attach leg C and D in the same way as leg A and B. Place the three walls in the correct position first. Then attach them to the legs using M6 by 30 mm bolts. Note: do not fully tighten the bolts at this stage to allow for adjustments during assembly. Lift the front wall and align it with the bottom of the legs. Secure the control board included with the tabletop to the small hole in the front wall using M6 by 12 mm bolts. Attach the other walls in the same way. Attach two connections onto the cart basing M6 by 12 mm bolts. Then attach the cart door to the cart base using M6 by 12 mm bolts. Attach the gas cylinder support to the bottom of the whole table. Secure it with M6 by 12 mm bolts. Turn the table upright, then lift the gas cart and place it onto the gas cylinder support. Place the gas cylinder into the cart. You can turn the M5 nut clockwise to tighten, anti-clockwise to loose. Connect the regulator. And finally slide the cart back under the table. Secure the cart by inserting part CC through the holes on leg A and leg B along with the cart door. Pour the lava rock around the burner. Do not completely cover the burner or block the pilot box with lava rocks. Unscrew the igniter button cover. Insert one AAA battery, ensuring the negative end faces inward and the positive end faces outward. Screw the cover back on. Press the igniter button fully. At the same time, push down and turn the control knob to the high position. Release after 15 seconds. Turn the control knob anti-clockwise to the low position to reduce the fire. Turn the knob clockwise to increase the fire. Push in the control knob slightly and turn to the off position. Make sure the flame is completely turned off before placing the lid on.